Hi guys, Dr. Mel. We are busy with organic chemistry, reactions, and we're going to do the substitution reactions now. So, first thing, you have your A3 paper and you've got your diagrams, and you should have by now done your addition and your elimination. We're going to do the third part now, which is the substitution reactions. So, get your pens, it has to be another color. Otherwise, you might get confused. Let's see what the addition reactions were. We said we can add to the double bond. So we can go that way, we can go that way, and we can go that way. Just in short, I'm going to add with water. So I'm hydrating. I'm going to add with a halogen or a halogen like that. And here I'm going to add hydrogenation, hydrogen. In this elimination reactions, we went completely in the opposite way. So we went from there to there. We actually did the cracking reactions there. And from the halogen, we went back to the alkene. So we took away the halogen with the hydrogen. And from here to there, we took away the water and we named it dehydration. So we know the conditions. Addition, guys, look at the three arrows. Elimination. And now we're going to do the final substitution reaction. There's only three substitution reactions. From the alkane to the haloalkane. Now you can see I've already have a hydrogen bond to the carbons. So you know, if you've been playing sport, if you substitute a player, one must come off the field before you can let another player go on the field. So what's going to happen here is that I'm actually going to take one off so that another halogen or another substance can bind. Let's say, for instance, a bromine there. So here I'm going to substitute. Have a look at that. I've got the bromine there and I've got hydrogen there, or even another bromine. So what do I have to add? I'm adding bromine and I'm getting off hydrogen because they have to substitute. Now that specific name will be, let's just have a look. I'm taking the alkane to the haloalkane. I'm going to name that halogenation. It makes sense. You had another halogenation. I'm making it a halogen. I'm putting in, let's say, bromine. And the only condition, and you have to be careful because you have to remember that this will be either sunlight, which is UV light, or a little bit of heat. And you actually break that existing bond there. Can you see that one there? And it will change to become either this or that one, depending on how much energy you are putting in. So I took an alkane, I substituted, I actually added that, and I sent the hydrogen off the field to find a haloalkane. Right. Substitutions, last part. I have a haloalkane, so I have an alkane bound to that haloalkane, and now I'm going to substitute and form an alcohol. Now you know the alcohol will have an OH and a H. So what do? We actually add then water and we get the halogen off. So that's what you're going to do. Now to do this, you actually need to put in a little bit of energy, and that energy is going to be be careful, the NaOH or potassium OH. So it's a strong base, remember, and water. Can you see we have to put in water there? So it has to be a strong base. And if you recall, we dissolve the strong base in ethanol. We've done this before. So I am, what's the name? The name of the process is hydrolysis. And I am putting in water and I'm getting the halogen off. So it's substitution. The final substitution reaction is the opposite of what we've done now. We start with the alcohol. So we've got the alcohol there. And I'm going to become a haloalkane. So what do I add? Well, I add a hydrohalogen to get the bromine on the carbon. And you know the name by now. It is hydro. Can you see the hydrogen there? Halogenation. It is quite easy. The hydrohalogenation. And what will come off? Well, you'll have to take away this hydroxyl group. So you have to substitute it with the water that's coming off. So it's quite easy to do the substitution because you've done most of the theory in the previous sections. I'm quickly going to revise. Addition, I'm adding to the double bond. That breaks, remember? And I'm going that way, and that way. Then elimination, I'm going from a single bond and I'm going to form a double bond. So now I'm eliminating, I'm going back. And then finally, substitution, I have a single bond there, but I've got the hydrogen, so I'm going to become a haloalkane. I've got to add the halogen, and I'm going to get the hydrogen off. That would be called halogenation. The haloalkane to the alcohol, I'm going to add water. I'm going to get my haloalkane off. That will be hydro. No, this is hydrolysis. Sorry, I'm almost got confused with the one that's going that way. I'm adding the hydrohalogen and I'm getting the water off. So this one is hydrohalogenation. So it's the one that you are putting in that's got the name bearing there. So those three substitution reactions. Let's quickly see if they give me a question. Can I see the substitution? Well, it seems like I've got alkene here. So that's addition. This is addition. And going to the alkene is that one and that one. So the orange ones will be the addition. The green ones will be the elimination. The remaining ones, can you see here? I'm actually putting in a halogen. So I'm changing and substituting there. Let's see another question and we'll do another lesson just with questions. I just want to show you where it's applied to. You will now go and substitute. Can you see here? I've got propene here. So this will be the addition and addition. And this one will be the elimination and elimination. Can you see here? I've got the addition there. So it seems like no substitution here. Other than these, can you see here? I'm going from the alcohol to a halogen. Can you see I added there a halogen? That's HBr. So E and F would be my two substitution reactions. Something coming off here to become that, or this going off to become that. That's substitution. This is a type of question that you'll get. Can you see here? I'm adding the HBr, so I'm actually going that way. Can you see? That's the alkene. So that will be the addition as well as the addition. If I go back, this is elimination, that is elimination, and that is elimination. And all the rest will be the substitution. So see here, and there, as well as that, and that. although that one I think is the double bond to the single bond, so that will also be addition. We'll do a few questions when we do the whole exam part of this, but it's important that you can distinguish between the three types of reaction. Firstly, you have to be able to do structural formulae, equations, obviously, and then, guys, you've got addition, you've got elimination, and finally, now we did the substitution. So be careful not to get yourself confused with the three reactions. I just want to show you how to go about doing this. As soon as you get your exam paper, write down your four core alkene, alkane, haloalkane, and alcohol. Write that down immediately. Then, just in your head, you know you're going there with addition. You know you're going backwards with elimination. And the final ones that we did just now would be from there to there, which is the substitution. That one there and that one there, substitution. Write this little scheme down on your paper so that when you get the question, which looks like that or that you know exactly where you are. I hope you enjoy organic reactions. It's really fun and it's lots of marks. I hope you get all your marks. Bye bye.